Alright, so hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another unboxing with Naturally Lash. I truly enjoy bringing these videos to you guys, and I'm very excited about this new product that I have for you guys. It's so cute and I couldn't wait to show it to you guys, and I also have another product from this company coming. So if you guys want to see what that is, make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video, like and subscribe, and click the bell so you guys don't miss out. So there it is right here. This is the packaging. It is from Be Kind, and I was so excited to be working with them. Like, I've seen their products all over my Facebook feed, and I'm super excited to have the opportunity to show this product to you. So what we have, this cute little box right here. I'm just showing you guys everything that comes in my package. So it's just one thing in here right now. So the first thing I want to show you guys, it has this little envelope, and it's just such a good cause that they work for. So with every order, you get these cute little stickers. These are super cute. I don't know if you guys really want to see more about those, but they are very cute. And it is from Be Kind. You get a little card. It just says they would like to thank you for the order at the Be Kind shop, and then a portion of your order is going to go towards saving the bees and helping them develop colonies safely. So that's very awesome. Yeah, and then you have your contact information. You can also share. Now this is really cool with them, is that you can share. They say if you love your Be Kind products, feel free to follow them on social media, share a photo of your products, and tag them. Now they said they'll feature your products and your photos on their social, and also if you submit a photo review on their website, you can get a $20 gift card. It's like they're paying you for their products, and it's super awesome. Also, for you guys who don't know, I have a 20% off code. If you use code LASH20, you receive 20% off of your order. So now I know you guys are like, just get to the product. So this is the box. Come on, camera, get it together. It's super cute, like this little hand pressed flower on there. So it's especially for you. So what I have right here is their crystal sunflower necklace, and you guys, when I saw it on the site, I was like, it's so pretty, and it's actually even better than what I thought. So this necklace is I believe 925 sterling silver, and it has an 18-karat gold plating on it. It's really nice, and it has zircon crystals. So this is how it comes packaged. That's the back of it. And then here is the actual product. Can I get it close? I want to get it so much closer for you guys to see it. How pretty is that? And on top of it being pretty, I'm going to take it out of here. I want to show you guys something, because I did not know it did this when I picked this item. I had no clue it was going to do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it off of here right now. I was trying to wait for my other item to get here before actually taking everything out, but I just decided I'll just do 2 videos instead. Okay, so we have it out. It's so pretty. It's so dainty. And what I really like about it, you guys, okay, let's see if I can get it close so you guys can see it. Look, it spins. How cute is that? Like, it's so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead now and try to get it on, and we can see what it looks like on. Okay. Are we going to be able to do this in one try, you guys? I don't know, but we're going to try. Oh, and I just noticed this too. There's so many cute details. Okay, let's see if we can get it close enough. All right. This is going to be really tough. Can you guys see it? On the chain clasp, it says Be Kind. Like, you guys, they have so much detail has gone into their pieces. I absolutely love it. So let's see if we can get this on without struggling too much. Am I gonna struggle, you guys? I think I'm struggling already. All right, you guys, I'm back. I got the necklace on. So cute. Now this chain is a little bit more daintier than my other chain, so I definitely had a little bit of a harder time putting it on, but once I got it on, it's super cute. I really like this, and I want to get it close for you guys to see again. Do you see how, I'm sorry if it keeps fuzzing out. I don't really have the camera set for this, but I just really wanted you guys to see how it spins. I'm gonna get some really good pictures up so you guys can see it in the sunlight, because it's so pretty. It's so sparkly. And now I know you guys are probably like, okay, but how much does it cost? Okay, so this particular necklace retails for $99.99. I think currently they have a Valentine's sale still going on, so it is 50% off. So you can get it for about $49.99 right now. And I also have a 20% off code. Now, I cannot guarantee that my code will stack right now, but in the event that it does stack, super awesome retail price for you guys. But if it doesn't stack right now and you guys missed the sale, feel free to use that code and you'll still get 20% off. So they have other products. They have rings, they have bracelets, they have the necklace. It's super cute. I really encourage you guys to go check it out. I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys to go check it out, just so you guys can see what else they have to offer, and save the bees, you guys. That's all I really have to say about that. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. As always, if you liked it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. I have more products coming to you guys, and I'll also have another product from the Be Kind shop coming. As a spoiler, I have a bracelet coming. So if you guys want to see what that bracelet looks like, make sure that you're clicking the bell so you don't miss out on that video and all the other videos that I have coming to you. With that being said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.